everyone, how you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? Let me know down below. Happy Vlogmas day 7. So it is 11:30 right now. I am going to start making lunch. I had a pretty productive morning, which I'm happy about, and now I'm going to make myself some lunch, and also anyone else in the house lunch too if they want to have some. But yeah, I seen this recipe on Pinterest, which is like a TikTok, and it's just basically just like a veggie roll basically. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and then tomorrow I'm going to try to make a sweet greens recipe, a recipe from Sweet Greens. I only went to Sweet Greens once back in 2019, and I got their miso bowl, and it was so good. So I wanted to try to recreate it, even though it's not going to be exactly like the recipe, but I'm going to make it somewhat like it. But that's going to be tomorrow. Today I am going to just cook the veggie rolls. Okay, so I just finished cooking the, what do I call this? Veggie rolls. But yeah, it was kind of a struggle kind of pan frying them because these 3 came out okay, but the other ones kind of ripped open. These ones over here that busted open. Hopefully it won't turn out like this. And so I think if I'm going to do this recipe again, which I most likely will because I tried out the veggies and they tasted really good, I'm just going to put this in the air fryer and let it cook in there. That's pretty good. So my dad is going to try one of my fried veggie rolls. This is a special event because he normally doesn't really eat rolls. So I'm excited.
Alright, so way number 1. So was the cilantro just on there for the looks?
Yeah, for decorations, yeah.
Okay.
I was trying to film a thumbnail.
Smell vision is good. Mushrooms you said were in there?
Mm-hmm. I didn't put a lot of mushrooms. It's a lot of carrots in there though.
Mm-hmm. Alright. So I'm going to dip into your soy sauce. Am I supposed to eat this with...
No, you can eat it like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not chopsticks, so
huh? No.
Definitely like it better with the soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Am I probably should just been biting it and dipping it, huh?
Yeah, because it's rice paper, it's a little bit more, it breaks apart easily.
I feel like I like it better with the soy sauce.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I like it with the soy sauce too.
So I might dip it back in the soy sauce. Okay, try it again. Not bad. I like it.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good.
There's definitely going to be some things I'm going to change about the recipe next time I do it, but... So the lighting's not that great, so don't mind that. But my package just came in from Remedy Organics, I believe that's what they're named. I should know because I just drank one of their drinks today. But they are a plant-based functional wellness company, and I believe they mostly make drinks. They could make other things, but I just get their drinks. And so I have brought a variety pack off of Amazon a couple weeks ago, and I tried that out and I really liked it. They're Japanese matcha drinks. So I went on Amazon again and I just brought a whole pack of their Japanese matcha because it tastes so good. It came packaged way better. Last time they had all the drinks everywhere. They came in little mini boxes. And this is what it basically looks like. This one right here that has Japanese matcha. It also has almond milk, maca. What's this word right here?
Oh, I have no idea. Spirulina?
I have never seen that.
Turmeric, and it has probiotics in here. And on the side, it gives you all of the health benefits that each of the ingredients have. So the almonds are supposed to be for your heart health. Matcha is antioxidants. Maca is for energy. Spirulina is for immunity support. Turmeric is for inflammation support, prebiotics, gut health, and it has protein for muscle recovery. So I like this because it's healthy for you. It's something that I can drink in the morning because I don't eat breakfast all the time. And this is a good replacement of that. And yeah, it just has a whole bunch of health benefits. It tastes pretty good.
The army crawl.
Oh yeah, the guy in the video was doing the army crawl. Yeah. Hi, Silvio.
Hi. Get as close to it as not. You see?
So
I think I might just not even do it like that. I might just go out like Scarface. I might just go right down the middle.
And all you're gonna see is just a whole bunch of pain.
It's all good.
So for some context, my dad and Jamie are going to do paintball this weekend. So they're trying to prepare.
They are not trying to prepare.
Oh yeah, I'm preparing. I'm about to go on my Call of Duty game. I'm already prepared, Chaz. I'm already prepared, you know?
You do understand that you're going to have to do more than move your fingers.
Who?
You.
No, see, Jamie, let me show you how to do that. No, it's done like this, you know? You gotta be real deal, you know? Man, your knees about to be hurting. Oh my God. See, you gotta be ready, you know? Bro, I got it, bro. Come on, I was on Warzone. I was doing it. Look,
But you guys were mostly losing.
Where's my scissors at, Josh? And then you get a little mirror thing, and then you see them, and you just boom, 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 boom.
Are you really gonna have a mirror?
You never know. You don't know what about to come with. I might have little paint grenades. Some little paint grenades. Some ninja stars.
Jamie, this is paintball. Okay, so I just received another package from my Black Friday shopping. This is from, and have to make sure it doesn't show my address. This is from Anna Seashell. This is the swimwear brand from Leanne Pinnock. She is part of Little Mix, and she is everything that I want to be. Okay, I love Leanne so much. She is such a big inspiration to me because she is a strong Black woman who is very creative, great singer, fashion icon. Absolutely love her, adore her. We support her in this household. So of course I had to purchase another item from her because I have previously purchased a swimsuit from her brand and I absolutely love it so much. It's a great quality swimsuit. It's a one piece. I wore it on the cruise and yeah, very good quality. And this is gonna be very bougie packaging, okay? So let me show you guys what I got. So when you shop from her brand, I believe you get a free clear tote bag like this. Oh, I think that was my package information, but you get a free clear tote bag like this. So, oh, did my last one come in a dust bag? I don't even think I got a dust bag. Shocker. You know why? Because since I only brought one item, mine came in a box. But it was a bougie box. It had like a pearl little knob to open it. Very bougie. But this is what the clear bag looks like with nothing inside. I'll definitely put the dust bag in here because like that's the style. On the dust bag it has her brand's name on here. Okay, so I got 3 items from her swimwear line. Everything is wrapped in tissue paper. Even her tissue paper is so bougie. It has her brand's name on it. And it looks super cute. Okay, so I got a 2-piece set. And this is an off-the-shoulder top. I got this in pink. Oh my gosh, my camera is washing it out. Hang on. I'm gonna turn down my brightness. But yeah, this is how pink it is. It's very cute. It has I think this is corduroy. Is this? But it feels very nice. You see it has the old school buckles that used to be on the overalls, and it can actually come undone. And then here are the bottoms. Now I need to try on the bottoms because I don't know what size I am technically. I think I got a size 8 and I don't know if I don't know how this is gonna fit me. But this is the bottom. It's cute. I'm not gonna try on the swimsuit right now. I will probably try it on when it's warmer. I mean, I'll probably try it on to show you guys when it's warmer weather. So that's gonna be sometime next year. Anywho, so then you get this bag, small little bag, and in here you get a seashell. It's super cute. I have the other one that I got from her right here. It's on my vanity, and this one's gonna go somewhere. I don't know where that's gonna go. And you get a business card in here too. Oh no, you just get a card. It says, "Like seashells, we are beautiful and unique, each with a story to tell." So cute. Okay, now to the last item that I got from Leanne Pinnock's swimwear line, and a seashell. One thing that you guys need to know is Leanne is a very extra person, and so as an extra person myself, I had to get this item. Okay, it is it is basically a pink robe to go with my pink swimsuit. On the website it was named kimono, I believe, but it's kind of like a clear, what did I call it before? It's a clear robe, basically. It is pretty long too. Like it comes all the way to my feet. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But yeah, I got this because I feel like I needed it, you know? This will be a nice swimsuit cover up. See how long it is? It's pretty long. Also, I put on sweatpants. But yeah, it's pretty long. Okay, you guys, I'm about to do the advent calendars right now. We're not going to do the rum advent calendar tonight because it's pretty late. So I'm just going to do the dog's advent calendar, the crystal one, and then possibly the chocolate one. Day 7. The one thing I don't like about this advent calendar is the little fake sprinkles. Oh, it's green biscuit this time. Okay. I don't like these little fake sprinkles. They're getting everywhere in my room. It's kind of annoying. Oh, it's so cute. I'm matching the biscuit. Okay, we're gonna give Sylvia the smallest one because this has been making him very gassy. Nope, 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 sit. Good boy. Here you go, babies. Anywho, so Carlito's going to get 2 of the dog treats tomorrow because Carlito doesn't sleep in my room. He sleeps in my parents' room, and they're asleep right now, so he's gonna get 2 tomorrow, which is fine because these treats aren't making him gassy at all. Okay, let's open the crystal advent calendar. Let's do a sandstone. I'm gonna do what looks like, I think this is a wave. So is this a sandstone? It looks like a rock, but it has little sparkles on the bottom, or maybe just as the top. Sandstone. Small waves of thought float by. What? Small waves of thought float on by. Creativity plus truth. Then on the inside it says observe, allow yourself to daydream, which is what I often like to do. So yeah, I think that was a good one, huh, babies? Okay, and the last advent calendar I'm going to do is the chocolate one. So it's a star. Looks cute. So that's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! I hope I didn't have chocolate in my mouth. Oh my god.